मोपा तरी आमी शिफ्ट करपाक सोदता. हल्ली आमी 800 कोटी सुमार मोडलेले आसा आनी 450 कोटी आतां सद्याक काम वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. न्यू पार्किंग, न्यू ब्युटिफिकेशन, additional base for the aeroplanes, and every other thing is being done to further beautify and modernize Dabolim airport. आमी तरी बंद करपाचे आसले, आमी हें काम करपाचे. And don't forget, this is Airport Authority of India, the third best airport in the country. Sometimes in terms of footfalls of arrivals and departure, it has beaten other two airports also. अशी परिस्थिती येयल्ली आसा. आता ऑफकोर्स तें जावपाक शक्य ना कित्याक दुसरो एअरपोर्ट येता तेन्ना. बट आय थिंक there is a safe balance which will automatically happen if we synergize energies of two airports. Tomorrow Dabolim can be there for most of the domestic flight. A few flights which prefer to land at that particular time where there are no naval restrictions, they can come there. Majority of international flights can operate from Mopa, and a few other flights domestic flight can be given a slot in Mopa. म्हाका दिसता जी ट्रॅफिक टुरिस्टांची वा लोक प्रवास करता ती वाडटा ती पळोवन आमकां दोन्ही एअरपोर्टाची गरज आसतली आनी फुडाराक दोन्ही एअरपोर्ट उरतले.
दोन्ही एअरपोर्ट्स फिजिबल आसा काय कितें हो एक प्रश्न सगळे जाण विचारतात. फॉर टू रिजन. नंबर वन, वेदर can government control where a flight lands or the airline company controls where a flight lands?
There are various factors that come to the fore. For example, the various types of charges that they levy to the aircraft carriers. Being a private airport, being a 3,500 crore investment, it is bound to be very high. Comparatively, charges at Dabolim airport will come much cheaper. This is the cost advantage what Dabolim airport is having, will continue to have. Of course, it is the preference of the airlines which choose to come. But as you know, major 5-star hotels are in the south. And in the interest of all the stakeholders, central government as well as local government is making concerted effort to see that there is enough traffic for both airports and both airports continue to exist. Even some people are quoting some old letter which said that Dabolim will close once that happened. That is an old story. In that case, Airport Authority of India would not have spent 800. Yeah, and thereafter they are forgetting. Thereafter it is officially in the minutes which took place between state government, Airport Authority of India, Civil Aviation Ministry, people from PMO, that both airports will continue. In fact, Goa is going to be a unique case where both airports are going to continue, and we'll see that those things happen.